Have you ever switched on a light or used a fan? All of these use electricity. Electricity is a form of energy that can power many things. But for electricity to work, it needs a complete path. This is called a circuit. A circuit is a complete loop that electricity can travel around. If the circuit is complete, the bulb lights up. When switch is broken, the bulb turns off. A switch can open or close a circuit. When the switch is on, the circuit is complete. When it is off, the circuit is broken. See how the light turns on and off? That's how we control lights in our homes. Not all materials allow electricity to pass through them. Materials that do are called conductors. Most metals are good conductors. Materials that do not are called insulators. Plastic and wood are good insulators. Electricity is very useful, but it must be used safely. Never use electricity near water. Always follow safety rules. And electricity or juice stain the jest. Electricity powers our homes, schools, and devices every day. Let's check what you've learned. What is a circuit? A complete loop for electricity. What happens when a circuit is broken? The electricity stops flowing. Which materials conduct electricity? Metals. Great work, scientist!